Stop wasting money on laundry detergent. This is the secret to making your own for a fraction of the price. Start by cutting 1 bar of Castile soap into smaller pieces. Now place it in a blender. Cover it and blend until it turns into a very fine powder. The finer it is, the faster it dissolves in the wash. Transfer the soap to a large mixing bowl or container. Next, add 1 cup of washing soda. It helps lift dirt, grease, and everyday stains from your clothes. Now add 3/4 of a cup of borax. It boosts the cleaning power and helps tackle lingering odors. Finish with 1 tablespoon of sea salt. It helps keep the mixture free-flowing and blends everything together evenly. Mix everything thoroughly until you have one uniform powder. Now pour the finished detergent into a clean glass container with a tight-fitting lid. Use about 1 to 2 tablespoons per load, depending on the size and how dirty the laundry is. Because this is a concentrated detergent, a small amount goes a long way, making one batch last through many loads of laundry. Store it in a cool, dry place with the lid tightly closed to help keep moisture out. If you found this tip helpful, save this video so you can come back to it later.